Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Chide. Chide. To chide someone means to scold or reprimand them mildly, usually with the intention of getting them to improve their behavior or correct a mistake. To rebuke. To remonstrate. To chastise. To find fault with someone. To express disapproval and displeasure with someone's actions. Usage of the word chide. To chide someone doesn't always have the connotation of angry words. Chiding someone can take the form of sarcasm, humor, a gentle reminder, or anger. And to chide also tends to refer to an ongoing correction or complaint that is repeated over time. While to chide can mean to berate severely, this is not the usual or main meaning. A note on the conjugation of the word chide. There are several different conjugations reported for chide. The past tense is often given as chid, chided, or chode. However, most English speakers will feel most comfortable with chided. The past participle is often given as chid, chided, or chiden. Chided or chiden is most likely to be used by English speakers, as chid is not a familiar word in spoken English. The example to follow from author Jack London uses the past participle form chiden. Examples of how to use chide in a sentence. The mother chided her son for eating with his fingers. "We eat with a fork, not with our fingers," she said. "I was late to work one time and he's been continually chiding me. After writing you such a long letter, I would have expected more than a postcard back," he chided her. As thus he strode along in anger, putting together the words he would use to chide little John, he heard of a sudden loud and angry voices, as of men in a rage. As the twilight drew on, its eager yearning for the fire mastered it, and with a great lifting and shifting of forefeet, it whined softly, then flattened its ears down in anticipation of being chidden by the man. But the man remained silent.